Want a garden that overflows with produce, bursting with color and flavor, no matter how small your space or where you live. The secret isn't just a green thumb, it's having a smart, thoughtful strategy. Today, I'll show you 5 proven methods to turn any patch of dirt into a high-yield food factory. Let's decode the dirt together. First up, vertical gardening. If you're short on space or want to maximize every inch of your garden, this method is a total game changer. Most people forget about height, but it's the easiest way to multiply your growing space. By thinking vertically, you can turn even the tiniest balcony or patio into a productive green oasis. Train vining crops like tomatoes, cucumbers, and pole beans up trellises or arches instead of letting them sprawl. This not only saves space, but also keeps your garden looking neat and organized. Growing upwards frees up ground for more crops, improves airflow, and gives leaves better sun exposure. Plants grown vertically are less likely to suffer from overcrowding, which means fewer pests and diseases. Healthier plants, fewer diseases, and easier harvesting. No more hunting for hidden cucumbers. You'll be able to spot ripe produce quickly and pick it at its peak. Even a simple net or string can transform your garden's productivity. You don't need fancy equipment, just a bit of creativity and some basic materials. Think of it as building a skyscraper for your veggies. Each level adds more room for growth, letting you stack your harvests sky high. More sun, more fruit, less wasted space. Vertical gardening makes the most of every ray of sunlight and every square foot of soil. Whether you have a tiny urban plot or a sprawling backyard, vertical gardening is a win-win for any garden size. Give it a try and watch your harvest reach new heights. Next, intercropping, pairing different crops together to maximize every inch. Plant quick growers like radishes between slow crops like carrots. Harvest the radishes early, then let the carrots fill in, or tuck lettuce in the shade of taller kale or broccoli to keep it cool and productive. Mix shallow-rooted and deep-rooted plants so they don't compete for the same resources. It's like stacking tenants on different floors. Everyone gets what they need. Intercropping turns empty space into extra harvests. More food, less wasted soil. Don't let your garden beds sit empty and unused. Every week is an opportunity to grow something new and delicious. Succession planting is the secret to keeping your garden productive all season long, ensuring a steady supply of fresh vegetables from early spring to late fall. As soon as one crop finishes, don't wait. Plant another right away. Start with cool weather greens like lettuce, spinach, or radishes in the early months, then swap in heat-loving summer crops such as tomatoes, peppers, or beans as the weather warms up, and finish the season strong with hearty fall veggies like kale, carrots, or broccoli that thrive in cooler temperatures. To plan effectively, know your plant's days to maturity. This helps you time your plantings for maximum harvest. Keep a simple calendar or gardening journal to track when to sow, transplant, and harvest each crop. Start seeds for your next round of crops indoors or in a greenhouse before the current plants are finished, so you can transplant healthy seedlings into the garden as soon as space opens up, keeping your beds full and thriving. This no-vacancy approach means you'll enjoy constant harvests, with something ready to pick from spring's first greens to the last frost of autumn. Your garden becomes a true production line for fresh, homegrown food, providing variety and abundance for your table. With succession planting, you can maximize every week of the growing season and enjoy a continuous, rewarding harvest. Companion planting is about teamwork, pairing plants that help each other thrive. The classic three sisters, corn, beans, and squash, shows how plants can support, feed, and protect each other. Try basil with tomatoes to repel pests and maybe boost flavor. Marigolds deter root pests, while flowers like borage attract pollinators and beneficial insects. You get natural pest control and healthier plants, no chemicals needed. Companion planting builds a resilient, self-sustaining ecosystem. Less work for you, more harvest from your garden. Let your plants be each other's best allies. For containers and raised beds, depth and soil quality are everything. Unlike traditional in-ground gardens, these systems rely entirely on the environment you create for them. The deeper and richer your soil, the more room roots have to grow, and the more resilient your plants will be to drought and nutrient shortages. Use deeper beds, 12 to 18 inches, so roots can access more water and nutrients. Shallow containers can quickly dry out and limit root development, but deeper beds encourage strong, healthy growth and help buffer against temperature swings. Build a super soil, by layering logs, compost, and topsoil for long-term fertility and moisture retention. This method mimics natural forest floors, creating a thriving ecosystem right in your garden beds. This living soil feeds your plants and lets you grow more densely. Healthy soil is full of beneficial microbes and earthworms, breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients as your plants need them. Stack containers or use modular beds to fit any space. Vertical gardening and creative arrangements let you maximize your harvest, even on balconies or patios. Healthy, active soil means bigger yields in small areas. With the right mix, you can grow more food in less space, making every square foot count. Raised beds and containers can outperform traditional plots with the right setup. They warm up faster in spring, drain better, and are easier to manage for weeds and pests. Engineer your soil and your plants will thrive, no matter how small your space. Combine these 5 hacks: vertical gardening, intercropping, succession planting, companion planting, and supercharged soil, and you'll transform your harvest. It's not about working harder or using more chemicals. It's about planning, healthy soil, and smart observation. You're not just a gardener, you're a garden engineer. Try these strategies and watch your garden explode with abundance. Like, share, and comment with your favorite hack, and let's keep decoding the dirt together.